Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. So why is the stock market going down today? The same news that made the market rise yesterday for no apparent reason. It rose 3% for TQQQ, is causing it to drop. You guys can see TQQQ is down 7.3% on the day, giving back everything that it gained yesterday. The news that was factored into the market yesterday supposedly was that big tech stocks were set to report earnings this week. This is something that we were all aware of, but I guess it was factoring in what people thought to be good earnings. Today, all of a sudden, right during the pre-market session, especially right at open, right, we saw a significant pullback. It looks like we're finally beginning to show signs of a support, but definitely not showing signs of a recovery. Market is bearish right now because Google and Microsoft are set to report earnings after market hours. Now, the question that everyone is asking, with Tesla being down 8% on the day, we have Facebook trading at one of the lowest price points at 180, right? Even Apple trading below 160 a share. Markets are cheap right now. I think if you're asking the question, is now a good time to buy? You should really begin to ask yourself, what is your intention? And again, this is 100% my opinion, so please share your opinion down in the comment section. In my opinion, markets being this cheap right now, if your intention is to hold for a long period of time, if you're an investor, if you're a long-term swing trader, I think the deals are among us. I will always stay true to that. We are at one of the lowest price points. I think TQQQ is a great example of this. Look at TQQQ retesting previous support levels from the original drop. This was right after Russia attacked Ukraine. We were at previous levels. Can the market get cheaper? 100%. But guess what? If your intention is to hold for a number of years and or for a longer period of time, then as of right now, during one of the most uncertain times, it just makes sense that, again, the deals are among us. Yes, they can get cheaper. There's never such thing as a perfect entry and a perfect exit. Your job is simply to take advantage of opportunities. So that's why I view, if your intention is to hold these for a long period of time, I do view these to be a good deal. I still wouldn't go in super aggressive, right? You still want to be able to tolerate the red days, especially with earnings yet to be announced. Then I think things will begin to be more clear. But I think now is an amazing time to prepare for the recovery. With that being said, if your intention is to day trade, unless you're shorting, it does not make sense to day trade anything. Direction is unclear, especially if a lot of you guys are under the PDT rule. What's one of the main things that we always talk about? Being selective for those specific days when opportunity is among us, when direction is clear, when there's a consistent bullish momentum pattern. But as of right now, it's quite the opposite. So let's not overcomplicate it. For our traders, save those day trades. Make sure you utilize those when it's actually worth it. Not when you want to, but when it actually makes sense. That's my opinion. You guys can comment down below. I just want to make sure that you guys are well aware of what is going on as of right now. Market is factoring in big tech stocks earnings right now, and today, after the market closes, we have Google and Microsoft that are set to report earnings, which are the first two out of the big tech that are set to report earnings. So I'm very excited to follow up. I was thinking of hosting a live stream during those earnings to see how the market reacts. It's up to you guys. If you guys want me to host that live stream, just make sure that you destroy that like button. And if we get over 1,000 likes on this video by the time that they report earnings, it has to be in advance. But if it gets over 1,000 likes before they report earnings, I'd be more than happy to go live and live stream the earnings and to see how the market reacts so we can make sense of it together. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Also, don't forget to stay connected. I do run a free trading Discord chat. So if you have any questions and you're trying to connect with like-minded traders, that's going to be the first link down below. And yes, it's a free trading group chat. If you want to be able to watch me trade live every single day, then make sure you click the second link down below, and I will see you at market open tomorrow for my live trading session. The last thing is we are giving away free trading mouse pads with a purchase of any aluminum art. So again, you guys can pick any of your favorite trading mouse pad and just add it to your cart, but make sure that you select one of our aluminum arts. So again, we have the day trader aluminum art, the investor, marketer, humble, hustle. Again, the list goes on. We have a large list of different wall art. So as long as you pick up one wall art, add your favorite mouse pad to your cart, and you get it automatically for free at checkout. Again, that's at shoptechbuds.com or the fourth link down in the description. I appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.